Guys, Monkey here, and today we're going to be doing a video on how to make pita pizza, pesto pizza specifically. Pretty much you're going to get your two breads. You can get pita bread, and then you got to open the pesto. Let me just put this down. Okay, now you can see we open the pesto. What you gotta do is you gotta take the spoon, then you gotta just like dig it. Here you go, and bam, spread it on top. And you're gonna take some more. Make sure it's evened out, or maybe you just want to just spread it over. I don't know. And then you kind of just want to like spread it some more. Keep spreading till you spread it all over. And then go. Keep spreading. Keep spreading. Okay, now that you're done with the pesto, what you want to do is you want to get some cheese. I think I kind of forgot the cube cheese. You want to just give me 1 second? What is it? Oh shit. Okay. Okay, now we're back. So then what you want to do is you ideally want to like shut everything. Then you want to take the cheese out. And sorry you can see it, but here you go. Here's the cheese. Take like a slice. Yeah, this is kind of hard to do while holding a phone. So here, I'm just gonna leave it like cheese out of the bag, and it actually got really easy to actually take out now. So I'm just gonna peel this shit off. There you go. Put that shit. Oh shit, my bad. Actually, there you go. Now I'm gonna wash the shit. Then you're gonna take the cheese, spread it across the pizza. Oh crap. Ideally, you want to make two of these so that you can spread it evenly, the cheese. So here, and then what you want to do is you want to like put this like right here. There you go. And then what you want to do is you really want to open the craft box. Nice, beautiful garage. There you go. Now you open the bag of cheese. Then what you want to do is you kind of just want to do this. Like this. Just like spread it across. There you go. That's the first cheese, and ideally you want to put it in for oh crap, one wrong down. 5 minutes. Yeah, and it should look good. So this should be it now. I think this could be a cool recipe if you want to take it. Pesto pizza tastes pretty good. Yeah, so if you all enjoyed, hope you all did so. Sorry, is the camera funky? Yeah. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for 500. Bye.